Hi there, today it's time for some unboxing. Last week Trangia had a contest on their Facebook site and I answered on that, and guess what? I won, one of the winners. So let's see what's in here. Yeah, sounds good. Sticker, that's nice. Plastics, papers. Right, here it is. Open Spirit Stove, or in Swedish it's called Trangia Häll. And that's nice. Then we have a second box to open. Oh, this is how it looks. It's like a tabletop cooker for larger pans. Ah, that's nice. The spirit burner included. Oh, that was all. Okay, that's cool. Thank you very much, Trangia. Very much appreciated. And for those who didn't saw this contest last week, it was about we had a storm here in Sweden or Scandinavia that put out a lot of homes from electricity, and that's why this contest was in place, to have something as a redundance to electricity. That makes perfect. For me it will be like a stove beside the barbecue evenings. Will fit perfect for that when you're outside and cooking. Well, of course we have to try this little fellow out later on. It will fit perfect to a frying pan like this, as well a Trangia pan. Very sturdy. I think this will work great. Well, thank you very much, Trangia, and see you later when we try this out.